Recently, I was looking over past comments that I'd received on my YouTube channel, and I stumbled across this one. Alston, I just had to come back and say thanks a million. I just got my first sale marketing Bluehost, and I owe it all to you. February 22nd, 2021. I was so shocked at how fast it happened. Thanks again, and don't stop doing your thing. Peace and love, Dwayne. Now it's hard to sleep. So first of all, congratulations, Dwayne. I know this is a year late, but congratulations on earning your first commission with Bluehost. Hopefully you have scaled that to the moon, as they say. But what I want to do is I want to re-up. I want to show you step by step how Dwayne and many other people are earning a passive income, a full-time income with the Bluehost affiliate program. We're going to take a look at the exact steps you need to take to enroll in the Bluehost affiliate program because it's changed a little bit and all of the different ways that we can promote it. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn step by step how you can earn passive income with the Bluehost affiliate program. Hello, my name's Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Now, as you know, Bluehost is a web hosting platform where people will build their websites. And just give a little bit of background if you don't know, in order for you to have a website on the internet, it needs to be hosted somewhere. So it needs to be physically placed. And web hosting is simply an online server that you can rent hard drive space, because that's what a server is, that is connected to the internet. You don't need to know all of this, but it's good to have a frame of reference when you go out to promote these things. So people are going to come to you when they need a website. They're going to rent hard drive space from Bluehost or any other web hosting platform, and you can earn a commission. Now, things are changing over at Bluehost. You can't just go over to bluehost.com/affiliates anymore. You actually have to go over to Impact Radius. Now, Impact Radius is an affiliate network that partners with affiliate marketers and affiliate programs. You're going to go to Impact Radius to get your commission payouts. You're going to go there to receive your affiliate links and any other marketing materials that you need. Applying to Impact Radius is 100% free, but it's a necessary step before you can apply to Bluehost. So just go to bluehost.com/affiliates and then click on join now if you haven't done so already. Go through the process and wait for your approval. Your approval may take a few days. That's okay. But let's take a look at all of the different ways, because there are a bunch, all of the different ways that you could make money with the Bluehost affiliate program or any affiliate program in general. The first thing that I want to show you is actually a YouTube channel. Now, this YouTube channel is near and dear to my heart. It's actually my YouTube channel, Web Hosting Rewind. Now, you can see I have less than 1,200 subscribers, but I actually earn commissions with this website every single month. And it's actually really easy. What I've done is I've done a little bit of research, and I'm only creating content on showing people how to start a blog. Now look at this, how to start a fishing blog, how to start a Christian blog, how to start a cooking blog. And you can see that while these aren't getting tons of views, they're getting highly targeted views. And what I do in each one of these videos, the videos are pretty much the exact same, is I outline everything that they need to start a blog. You need to get domain name and web hosting, and then I refer them over to Bluehost, and then I also offer other things as well. But this works, and you don't need millions of subscribers. You don't need tens of thousands of views. You just need to create highly targeted content. Now, let me show you some of my most viewed videos, because those are actually going to be a little bit different. You can also create review videos. So if you look at this, Name Hero Review, again, this could be replaced with Bluehost. And I create simple review videos showing people the strengths and weaknesses of Bluehost. You can also do comparison videos. So X versus Y, Bluehost versus Name Hero, Bluehost versus GoDaddy. If we go up to the search bar here and we type in Bluehost versus like this, and you can see these are the exact questions that people are asking. You are going to do a compare and contrast right on YouTube, and people are coming to YouTube because they're looking for a solution. You can also do best web hosting. We can also type in best web hosting. Now, these people are looking for a list of 5 or 10 best web hosting providers. If we take a look, you can see best web hosting for WordPress, for cheap hosting, for bloggers, for e-commerce, for online store. You can create content in all of these and provide the 5 or 6 best web hosting providers. So if we look at this first one, best web hosting providers for WordPress, you can see that this top result, 81,000 views from just 1 year ago. 234,000 views from 8 months ago. Now, some of these are larger channels, but you can start here and start creating content. So we've done review, we've done comparison, we've done best web hosting providers, and this is all on YouTube. Now, one other cool thing is if you think about this from a different perspective, who most likely is looking for a step-by-step guide on how to build a website? Maybe people that are entering into a business. For example, we could say like how to start an underscore business. And one of the things that they're going to need for their business is they're going to need a website. They're going to need a domain name. And so if we look, I'm just going to change this from underscore. We're going to type in Q, for example. That could be like a quail hunting business or something along those lines. But you can see that if you think about it from the people that would need web hosting, you can potentially make money. People are going to be looking up, what are some of the things that I need to start a successful business? Every successful business has a website of some sort. People are also going to be asking questions like how to get more traffic to my business, how to get more leads, and all of that can be done with a website. So think about all of the different types of people that need a website, and then you can start creating content here to start making money. But this is just one way. Another cool way, and I've actually talked about this last week or the week before, is with these business name generators. Yes, I really like these business name generators because it's a great way to make money. Now you're putting yourself in the consumer's mind, the business owner's mind. So if we click on this free business name generator, these people are giving away a free business name generator. For example, I'm just going to type in Alston here because I think that's funny. When we look at this, they're going to actually refer you to different web hosting providers. So if we click on Dreamer Alston, for example, they're going to say, if you like this name, go ahead and check and see if the domain name is available. And look at this. You can see here, there's this GoDaddy. I don't want to spin the wheel. You can see there's this GoDaddy thing here. And if I were to click on any one of these, I could, the owner of this website will earn a commission. This is another way. This is a backdoor way to get in front of highly targeted people, because if you're looking for a business name, you probably don't have a website yet. And so this is a good opportunity, but I really like this opportunity. You can also do so much more with it. You could promote LLCs. You could promote like point of sale machines. There's all sorts of stuff that you could do simply with a business name generator. And this is like free content that you can do. You can also make money with ads as well, but that's beside the point. Another way that you can make money is simply starting a blog. Now, this is going to be really, really competitive. Starting a blog is going to be really competitive, and you have to basically write mini books. If we look at this first one, I just typed in how to make a website because people understand, and this is probably the most straightforward way, people understand that these guys all need web hosting. I'm just going to look at the number of words, and usually there's like 6,000 words for these different 3,900, so 4,000 words on how to create a website. What you can do is you can, just like our YouTube example, is we can create how to make a church website, how to make a plumbing website. If we did how to make we'll see how to make a website for plumbers, how to make a website for plumbing business. And once again, this is going to be a really good opportunity. Again, this is going to be competitive, so you're going to have to be willing, ready, and able to put up a fight over a long period of time to get in front of targeted audience. Now, again, you can also do comparison, so X versus Y. Let's go through. I want to see how many words this is, and just know that, this actually probably isn't too many words. So this might not be too bad. If we do a word counter like this, okay, so 2,000 words. That's not terribly long, considering. And what we could do, we're just going to hit back here. What we could do is we can copy this, how to make a website for, and then we can go over to Ahrefs, which is a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords fast. Come up to Keywords Explorer, and I'm going to paste in how to find a website for, and this is going to give us an entire list of all of the different opportunities. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to go ahead and write a blog or series of blogs in order to start getting traffic. Oops, I forgot the R on for, but let's see what happens. How to make a website for, like that. And let's see if we get some traffic here. As you can see, it's searched 21,000 times per month. There are 3,000 keywords, and a lot of these are really competitive. How to make a website for your business. You can do YouTube videos out of all of this. Another way that you can do it is how to make a forum website. So individual specific types of websites. And that can work as well. So just to recap here, one of the easiest and best ways, I think, is to start a YouTube channel. As I showed you my channel and how I get targeted traffic. You can also do these domain name generators, which I really, really like. And it's a backdoor way to get in front of highly targeted people. You can start a blog, of course. Actually, my first commission was with Quora. And I tell this story all the time. This is the wrong way to do affiliate marketing, but it just happened to work for me. What I did is I grabbed my affiliate link from Bluehost, and I came over to the search bar and I typed in Bluehost, and I typed in web hosting, and I just simply answered questions based on what people wanted to know. So we come down here to questions like this, and then we answer questions. Now, what I did, and this is the wrong way to do it, so don't copy me, is I would answer the question and then I put in my affiliate link. But you can see here, what is your review of Bluehost? You could answer this question and then send them over to a bridge page, your website, something like that, or even your YouTube channel. But you can just answer these questions and then you have the opportunity to monetize it. But do not do it the way that I did it. I earned $125 that first day, but my account almost got banned on Quora. So don't do it that way. Do it the right way. Send them to a bridge page, an opt-in page, get them off the site, a YouTube channel. All of that will work. But you're just going to answer a few questions. You can also type in web hosting. Come on, web hosting like this. And then you can do the same thing. People are asking about web hosting. Which is the best web hosting? People are asking about how to build a website. Just think about the questions that people are asking. You can answer those questions and then you can generate some income. Another great way is actually using TikTok. Yes, you can show people how to start a website using TikTok. Look at this one. How to build a website in 3 minutes. This one has 41,000 views. How to build a website, almost 600,000 views. How to create a website for free, 118,000. How I make my website, 90,000. So there are tons of people asking these questions. And then we can go up to the search bar and we can look. Are people typing in Bluehost versus, look at this, Bluehost versus Squarespace. So we could create a video, a 1-minute video talking about why Bluehost is better than Squarespace. Then we put our affiliate link. What I'd recommend is to collect their email address, but you could put your affiliate link directly to Bluehost if you wanted to. Personally, I would recommend sending them to a landing page where we collect their email address. The reason why I would recommend doing that is we can sell them more products. If people are looking to start a website, they also need a WordPress theme. We could sell them premium WordPress themes. They're also probably going to look for different ways to monetize their new website. We can send them information on that as well and potentially make even more money. That's besides the point, but you can see here that people are doing this over on TikTok. Bluehost affiliate marketing new updates. What is WordPress? We can actually answer these questions and we can use the exact same questioning or the exact same keyword research we did for YouTube over here on TikTok. We could type in something like best web hosting for, and once again, we can see if something pops up. The best web hosting for blogging. And this is going to be much less competitive than YouTube, but we can actually go here and start creating content. Look at this, 945 views, 12,000 views, 73,000 views, 21,000 views, simply answering a question that has been asked many times before, and we know that these people want to buy. And the final way that you could actually make money is actually with Linktree alternatives. Now, I've talked before on this channel that you should not be using Linktree if you're serious about your business. Now, what you could do here is you could create a list of the best Linktree alternatives, and then you could say the number one way is actually to create your own website. And what you could do, what you could do is you can actually run paid ads. So people that are looking for Linktree alternatives are maybe upset with Linktree, and we could run paid ads and potentially make money. So I'm just going to paste this in here and I want to see if how much it would cost to run paid ads for Linktree alternatives. In fact, I might actually do this myself. Look at this, Linktree alternatives. It gets searched 3,000 times per month. It doesn't have a cost per click. So I imagine you could potentially start getting leads for as little as maybe $1 per click, maybe 50 cents per click. And so what you'd want to do here is you'd want to create maybe a simple blog explaining why, well, you could do a few things. One, you could create a list of the 3 or 4 best alternatives of Linktree and be affiliates for all 4 of those, or you could actually say Bluehost is the best Linktree alternative and then give a list of why. And so just to run through this real quick, because I did go over this kind of quickly, the step 1 is you want to go to bluehost.com/affiliates and then sign up through Impact Radius. Step 2 is decide how you're going to get in front of your targeted audience. This is also called traffic. You can use YouTube, which is going to be moderately competitive. You can also do this, which I really like, coming up with domain names. You can do this for free. Another hack that you could try is to list a gig over on Fiverr where you come up with domain names and then include your affiliate link, or you could actually check, you could have them click the link to check and make sure their domain name is available, and that be your affiliate link. And you could include that in the Excel spreadsheet that you provide them. That would be a great way to generate some income as well. Another thing you can do is start a blog, but a blog is going to be really competitive. You can answer questions over on Quora, either using web hosting, website, how to create a website, or just Bluehost. The second to final way is with TikTok. I showed you a few different ways to TikTok that will work for you. And the final way is actually with Linktree alternatives. You could run paid ads for this. I wonder how that works. I might actually try that. And I could report back to you to let you know if that works or not. Now that you know 7 or 8 different ways to make money with the Bluehost affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my free training that will show you step-by-step how to earn a full-time income online without using paid ads, a huge following on social media, or a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.